Hello dear students, good morning. Welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss the parabola concepts, parabola JA mains questions. See that the line y equal to mx intersect the parabola y square equal to x at a point P on other than origin. Let the tangent at P it meets Q on x-axis. If the area of triangle OPQ is equal to 4, then the value of m is, that m value they are giving the condition is m is greater than 0. For what value of m, the area of triangle OPQ is 4. See first, according to the question, you draw the rough figure, you will get it idea. Parabola y square equal to x, it is symmetric about x-axis. This is y square equal to x. This is axis of the parabola. This is the y-axis. And the line y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx. Observe that the line y is equal to mx means it is passing through the origin. Here origin means vertex of the parabola. A of 0, 0. And you have to assume one point. The point is P, I am assuming that, which is parametric point. You have to assume that 80 square comma 280 is a parametric point on the parabola. At this point, you have to draw the tangent equation. So from P, you draw a tangent which meets at point Q. Now triangle, this is vertex, we can assume that O, why? Because according to the question it is origin. So triangle OPQ we got it here. This area is equal to 4. But how to get the value of Q? P value we got it already. What is the given equation of parabola? Y square equal to x. Compare with y square equal to 4ax. Here 4a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 by 4. A value we got it. After getting the value of a, the point P will becomes P coordinates. P equal to, in place of a substitute 1 by 4, it will becomes t by t square by 4, comma 2 into 1 by 4 into t. So it will become t by 2. Why? Because a value is 1 by 4, substitute in that, it will become t square by 4, comma t by 2. Now, this is equation of tangent. What is the formula for equation of tangent? Yt is equal to x plus at square, which is the formula for equation of tangent at parametric point P of t. So, whenever a is there, you have to replace with 1 by 4. Therefore, this equation will becomes Yt equal to x plus t square by 4. By taking LCM and all, simplifying, it will becomes 4yt is equal to 4x plus t square. This equation meets x-axis. Equation you can take as 2. Why? Because y square equal to 4a, y square equal to x is there now. Equation number 1, 2. And given line is y is equal to x. Equation 2 meets x-axis at the point Q. Then y is equal to 0. Why? Because on x-axis y equal to 0. So coordinate of y is 0. Y is equal to 0, substitute in this equation. 4x plus t square equal to 0. 0 equal to 4x plus t square. That implies that t square equal to minus 4x. So that implies x is equal to minus t square by 4. So the coordinates of Q will become minus t square by 4 comma 0. Minus t square by 4 comma 0. We got the value of Q and origin 0 comma 0, and the point P is t square by 4 comma t by 2. Whenever t points is there and area of triangle is also given. Now the area of triangle OPQ is equal to 4. Among these 3 points, one of the vertex is origin. We know the formula, half into mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1, which is equal to 4. Cross multiply mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1 is equal to 8. What is x1 y2 x2 y1 means? This I am assuming that x1 y1, this I am assuming that x2 y2. Substitute these values here. Mod x1 y2 t square by 4 into y2 value. What is y2 here? 0. Minus x2. x2 value is minus t square by 4 into y1 value. What is y1 here? T by 2 is equal to 8. So 0 and anything is 0. Minus to minus is plus. Within modulus it will become plus only. So t cube divided by 8 is equal to 8. That implies that t cube equal to 64. So 64 can be written as 4 power 3. T cube equal to 4. That implies that t is equal to 4. After getting the value of t equal to 4, we have to get the point here. Point. So the point will becomes t value substitute in this point. P of t square by 4 comma t by 2, which is equal to P of t value 4 substitute 4 square by 4, it will become as 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So P of 4 comma 2 is a point. But they are asking now, y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx. This is y is equal to mx, not x. Y is equal to mx. Now, y is equal to mx. Passing through the point P of 4 comma 2. This line is passing through P. P value means what here? T square by 4 comma t by 2, that also will become as 4 comma t. So it is 4 comma 2. In place of x comma y, this is x, this is y. Substitute in this, you will get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. 2 equal to m into 4. That implies that 2 by 4 equal to m. That also implies that m is equal to 2 ones or 2 twos. M is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the value of m is 1 by 2, which is there in the first option. The next question, dear students. A circle of radius 4 drawn on a chord of parabola y square equal to 8x as diameter and touches its axis, that means axis of the parabola, then the slope of the chord AB is. So a circle a circle of radius 4 drawn on a chord of parabola y square equal to 8x. So here which is y square equal to 8x parabola. On that parabola, chord is there now. Chord means you have to assume 2 points on the parabola, B and A. AB, joining of these two is a diameter of the circle. See here, this is the circle. Dotted points represent circle. This is, whenever it is AB as a diameter and C is the midpoint, what are the points you have to assume that on the parabola? That is important. So hang here, given parabola is y square equal to 8x, compared with y square equal to 4ax. Here 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 2. The points we are going to consider on the parabola, parametric points I am taking now. Let capital A equal to 81 square comma 281. Whenever 81 square to 81, A value we got it down here 2, which is equal to 2t1 square comma 281, and the point being a t2 square comma 282, which is equal to 2t2 square comma 2a t2. C is the midpoint of AB chord. C equal to the midpoint of chord AB, which is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. So 2 into t1 square plus t2 square divided by 2. 2 I am taking common here. 2 to get cancelled. 2 into at1, even a also can take out common. Already a value is substituted now here also. 2 to the 4. Directly can write it here 4t1. Here also 4t2. So it will becomes 4 into t1 plus t2 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, which is equal to t1 square plus t2 square, comma 2 into t1 plus t2. These are the coordinates of center. And one more important thing is given here. A circle of radius 4 from center to here is equal to center to here and touches x-axis also. So the diagram will become like this. This circle, it touches x-axis. Here they mentioned that diameter and touches x-axis of the parabola, axis of the parabola. Whenever it touches, the radius is equal to y coordinate of the point, y coordinate of the center. Since circle touches y-axis, sorry, x-axis, then x-axis meaning is axis of the parabola here. Then y coordinate of center is equal to radius. Since the value of radius is equal to 4, what is y coordinate of the center? X coordinate and y coordinate. So 2 into t1 plus t2 is equal to 4. So t1 plus t2 value is equal to 2. What is the use of calculating t1 plus t2 value here? They are asking to calculate the slope of chord AB. Here 2 points we got it. Slope of chord AB. Slope of chord AB. Slope of chord AB. Slope definition we know that. Difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. 4t1 minus 4t2. 4 take common. Divided by, here also 2 take common. And t1 square minus t2 square, which is equal to 2 into t1 minus t2 whole divided by, here a square minus b square, a plus b minus b. So t1 minus t2 into t1 plus t2. So t1 minus t2 get cancelled. 2 divided by t1 plus t2. Therefore, slope of the chord m is equal to 2 divided by t1 plus t2 value we got it here 2. So 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Therefore, the slope of the chord is equal to 1. 1 which is there in the second option. Slowly you have to understand the question, and then according to the question, maximum try to draw the diagram, you will get an idea. In this way you can go, it will be very easy subject. The next question. The normals at 3 points P, Q, R of the parabola y square equal to 4x meet in H, K. Then the centroid of triangle PQR lies. So here normals at the 3 points. So here 3 points means you have to assume that parametric points general. So given parabola y square equal to 4x and P of T1, Q of T2 and R of T3. That means P of AT1 square comma 2AT1, Q of AT2 square comma 2AT2 and R of AT3 square comma 283 or 3 points on the parabola. Normal equation is passing through these three and which are intersecting what? H comma k. First normal equation at parametric point we can write. We can take only one point. The equation of normal at t, generally I am writing y plus xt is equal to 280 plus 80 cube. This is the normal equation of the parabola at parametric point. This equation is meeting at what point? H comma k. That means this equation is passing through H comma k. Wherever x comma y is there, replacing with H comma k. This equation normal is passing through H comma k. Then first I am writing cubic term 80 cube plus 280 this xt we can take the side in place of x h minus ht in place of y k minus k equal to 0. From these two t take common 80 cube plus t into 2a minus h minus k equal to 0. Equation 2 is a cubic equation. Equation 2 is a cubic equation in t. Then it has three roots. T1 comma T2 comma T3 respectively. After that, from this equation, whenever these are the three roots of this equation, sum of the product of the roots taken two at a time and product of the roots we can write. But we will take only first sum of the roots. T1 plus T2 plus T3, which is equal to, here there is no quadratic term here. T square term is not there, minus b by a. Here T square term is not there, means b value 0 means this total term goes to be 0. This result we are going to use in the coming step. They are asking to calculate then the centroid of triangle PQR lies on. What is the formula for centroid? Sum of the x coordinates divided by 3, sum of the y coordinate divided by 3. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now, centroid of triangle PQR is g of x comma y is equal to sum of x coordinates by 3. First I will write formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So from all the three x terms a take common, we will write it as a into t1 square plus t2 square plus t3 square divided by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3. From all these three terms, you can take common 2a into t1 plus t2 plus t3 divided by 3. Since the value of t1 plus t2 plus t3 is equal to 0, this coordinate will become 0. 0 by anything is 0. So a into t1 square plus t2 square plus t3 square divided by 3 comma 0. Why? Because at t1 plus t2 plus t3 equal to 0. So in this, if you observe that g of x comma y, centroid lies on, it is given. What coordinate is 0 here? Y coordinate is 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0. In the centroid y coordinate is 0. That means centroid lies on x axis. That is, centroid lies on axis or x axis. Y is equal to 0. Here y coordinate of the centroid is 0 means it lies on x axis. X axis means axis of the parabola. So y is equal to 0. lies on y is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 means y axis. Remember that y is equal to 0. Here coordinate is given. Y is equal to 0 means x axis. So y is equal to 0, we got it. Therefore centroid lies on the axis of the parabola. The next question. Equation of common tangent to the common tangent touching the circle x minus 3 whole square plus y square equal to 9 and the parabola y square equal to 4x. Above the x axis is, these are the options. And here common tangent, the tangent is touching both circle as well as parabola. What is given equation of circle? X minus 3 whole square plus y square equal to 9. 9 can be written as x minus 3 whole square, y square also y minus 0 whole square equal to 3 square. It is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So center of the circle equal to c of 3 comma 0 and radius r is equal to 3. We got the information about the circle. Come to the parabola, y square equal to 4x. This we have to compare with y square is equal to 4x. Here 4a is equal to 4, a is equal to 1. What is the equation of tangent to the parabola with slope m? We know that y is equal to mx plus a by m. The equation of tangent, we keep that equation number 1, it is equation number 2. The equation of tangent with slope m to the parabola is y is equal to mx plus a by m. What is a value? A value is 1, substitute here. So y is equal to mx plus 1 by m, right in the form of ax plus by plus c. So first mx, y we can take this side, minus 1 plus 1 by m. Don't take LCM and all, leave it like this. This tangent again touching the circle. Any line touching the circle means radius equal to perpendicular distance, no? So radius of the circle is 3, perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the line. So since equation 3 is a tangent to circle, tangent to the circle, equation 1, then r is equal to d. Radius of the circle is equal to perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the line. So r is equal to d. Once again I am writing here, r value is 3, d equal to perpendicular distance from 3 comma 0. This is x, this is y. In place of x comma y substitute 3 comma 0. It will become mod 3m minus 0 plus 1 by m divided by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. X coefficient whole square is m square plus y coefficient whole square. Y coefficient is what in this? Minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Cross multiply 3 into square root of m square plus 1 is equal to mod 3m plus 1 by m. Squaring on both sides, 9 into m square plus 1 is equal to a plus b whole square expansion 9m square plus 1 by m square plus 2 into 3m into 1 by m. So it will become 6m by m. 6m divided by m. Mm get cancelled. And 9m square plus 9 equal to 9m square plus 1 by m square plus 6. Both sides 9m square get cancelled. 6 we can take this side. That implies that 9 minus 6 is equal to 1 by m square. That implies 3 is equal to 1 by m square. M square equal to 1 by 3. M is equal to plus or minus 1 by 3. 1 by root 3. Since the tangent is above x-axis, they mention that. Since the common tangent, since the tangent is above x-axis, then m value will becomes 1 by root 3, positive 1 by root 3. This m value substitute in this equation, you will get it. So therefore, equation of tangent, wherever m is there in this equation, you have to replace with 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 into x minus y plus root 3. Why? Because reciprocal of m here, taking LCM, x minus root 3y plus 3 equal to 0, minus root 3y we can take this side. Root 3y is equal to x plus 3, which is required common tangent to the parabola as well as circle. Root 3y equal to x plus 3, which is there in the third option.